Forests are crucial to Earth, providing essential resources like water filtration, air purification, and habitat for wildlife while mitigating climate change. They contribute significantly to national economies through the forestry industry, supplying products like wood, fuel, and medicines. Sustainable forest management is essential, highlighted by the UN's Forest Principles in 1992, urging practices that fulfill current and future generations' needs while ensuring biodiversity and ecosystem health. The forestry sector faces challenges like wildfires, insect outbreaks, and extreme weather exacerbated by climate change. To address these, advanced technologies like satellites and LiDAR are increasingly used for efficient forest management. LiDAR offers detailed mapping by penetrating tree canopies but is costly and labor-intensive. Conversely, satellites provide more frequent updates and enable monitoring of forest changes over time, aiding in quick response to environmental events. Emerging services in forestry, such as carbon sequestration and ecosystem services, require high-resolution data for effective management and conservation. Partnerships like Tessera facilitate access to comprehensive data from a single platform, enhancing the industry's efficiency. Additionally, tools like the Normalized Differential Vegetation Index help manage pests like the bark beetle, crucial for forest health. Drones and AI are becoming indispensable in collecting precise data, enabling actions against forest threats and natural disaster impacts. Integrated Earth observation data aids in managing forest damages and supports sustainable management practices. In conclusion, the forestry industry is evolving with technology, offering unprecedented opportunities for sustainable management. Plenty of platforms simplify data access, allowing broad application of advanced technologies for forest inventory and management, benefiting the industry and environmental conservation. On Geoawesome blog, you may read full story about the impact of satellite technology on forestry industry.